Hey guys, so this is how to improve the camera quality on your iPhone. Before you follow any of these steps, do note that the higher the quality of the camera, the bigger the file size. So if you don't have a lot of storage on your phone, do think twice before following these steps. Now let's go ahead and improve our camera quality. So first thing you're gonna need to do is open up the settings and then scroll down till you find the camera settings. There it is. So just click on it and then go to the record video settings and choose the 1080p 60 frames per second. Now, some people might think that it's better to choose the 4K. However, the 4K is not really necessary if you're only going to view the videos on your phone. However, if you're going to view the video on an external monitor that has 4K, then it would make more sense to choose 4K resolution. Now, if you go back to the camera settings and go to the formats, you're gonna find most compatible and high efficiency options. So if you want higher quality videos and higher quality photos, just click on high efficiency. Make sure that the high efficiency option is checked. Now, the last option or the last setting that I want you to check is the Smart HDR option. So just make sure that it's toggled on. And it gives you a brief of what the Smart HDR does. So it just blends the best parts of separate exposures into a single photo. And yeah, that's all there is to do. So your camera quality now is much better. Hope that video was helpful.